Hello everybody, I'm Admired Plague and welcome to today's Easter egg video for Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies on the Mauer Der Toten level that is brand new as of today. This Easter egg is going to be only the Klaus portion of the Easter egg, no other Easter egg, no headgear, no warhead. We're just talking about Klaus, the dummy that you can find underneath the subway, and how to bring him online as a battle buddy. Alright, to kick off Klaus the Battle Buddy Easter egg, you're going to need to at least get to a minimum of wave 10 and have the power turned on. In order for this to work, you need to get to wave 10 because you need to get a Soldat soldier to come at you so that you can kill it. It will drop a battery and usually an intel 100% of the time, and this battery is used to put into the forehead of the Klaus doll underneath in the subway. After you get the battery, you are also going to need to head towards the Pack-a-Punch. You do not need to actually turn on the Pack-a-Punch, but on the left or the right of near the Pack-a-Punch, you're going to find two guard towers. In those guard towers are piles of bone and dust. You're going to have to dig those piles up, and there is a chance you will find the satellite dish. This is the third part that you'll actually need to do the upgrades for Klaus later on. So just dig through the piles of bones and eventually you'll find one. Sometimes you can find the first try. I found it here on the second, but sometimes it may take you all of them. It all depends on how fast you can get it, and that's all about RNG. Next up, you're going to want to get the Pack-a-Punch done. Get your weapon packed. Hopefully that's done by now, but you're going to need to get the Brain Rot weapon perk or weapon mod. You're going to need to then go all the way back to the starting hotel, go up to the hotel lobby, down the hall, across the bar. You're going to find a door that is barricaded. This door cannot be shot down. It cannot be meleeed down. You are going to have to turn a zombie into a brain rot zombie, and it will knock down the door for you. And inside, you're going to find a corpse with dummy hands wrapped around its neck, along with an intel and a safe that we'll talk about in another video. These hands that you grab off the body are the hands for Klaus down in the subway. Once you head down there, you can put his hands back on. As long as the battery's in his head as well, you can now activate Klaus. Once you've activated Klaus, you can then command him using whatever your tactical gadget is. Mine set to Q on my keyboard, so I just use Q, and you can actually tell him where to go. He will follow you around. If you're not in eyesight, he will come and follow you. He is on a timer. However, that radio dish that we got back in the guard tower area, you're going to have to go back to the hotel where you ended up finding the Klaus hands. If you go into the garment room, the tailor room where you find all the dummies, there's going to be an open armor dummy like contraption where normally an armor dummy would be, so you can upgrade your weapon and your armor. There'll be an empty one. You're going to install the dish into that, and that will allow you to upgrade your Klaus. Now, in order to upgrade Klaus, Klaus does need to be activated, and he has to go through, I believe, 2 different times of being called out for support, and he has to kill a certain amount of zombies. You can tell when Klaus is ready to be upgraded by the little smiley face that is on the machine that he goes into. It'll have a red smiley face for not allowed, and a green smiley face saying that he can be upgraded. Klaus can then go into the machine there, and he has to charge up and get ready for a defense mission. Once Klaus is inside the machine, you'll have to defend him for about a minute. Once you're able to do that, if you're able to successfully defend him, it will wipe out all the zombies in the area. He will come out, and he will be Pack-a-Punch and able to kill things extremely fast. You can do this 2 more times after that. Just keep bringing him out, killing things. When the smiley face is green, you are ready to have a killing machine on your hands. Once that is done, you are free to have your buddy do whatever you want. It costs $2,000 to bring him in every single time, but you are able to command him, do what he wants, and then as long as he's fully upgraded, he can kill things pretty quick. The disciples go down in pretty much 1 3-round burst from him before he's upgraded. We got him all the way to level 25. We didn't really play around with him too much because we want to get this video done, so I'm not quite sure how well where his scale off point is later on in the game. I will tell you though that as a battle buddy, he will work for exfil as long as you get him before you start the exfil event. He will also pick you up if you've been downed, which is pretty interesting. We did see him pick up one of our teammates. You can also see him melee things that get too close to him, and they are insta-kill melees. So Klaus is a pretty awesome battle buddy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it helps. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and stay tuned because I'll have some more Easter egg videos for the headgear and for the warheads later on. I'm Admired Plague. You can check out my Twitch at twitch.tv/AdmiredPlague. We've been playing zombies quite a bit, doing all the Easter egg stuff, and we hope you guys are enjoying Mauer Der Toten. I'll see you guys in the next video.